Task 1. A question. What is the recent milestone in space exploration? SpaceX successfully launched its first two people into orbit, ushering in a new age of human spaceflight in the United States. The flight marked the first time astronauts have launched into orbit from American soil in nearly a decade, and SpaceX is now the first company to send passengers to orbit on a privately made vehicle. The two astronaut veteran NASA flyer Bob Beacon and Doug Hurley rode into space inside SpaceX's new automated spacecraft called Crew Dragon, a capsule designed to take people to and from the International Space Station. Strapped inside the sleek, gumdrop-shaped capsule, the duo lifted off on top the SpaceX Falcon rocket from NASA Kennedy Space Center in Florida at 3:22 p.m. on Saturday. The rocket dropped the Crew Dragon off in orbit about 12 minutes later. Now the pair will spend roughly the next day in orbit before attempting to dock with International Space Station. Big question. Why do we need to explore the space? In my opinion, human space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and history of our solar system. Through addressing the challenges related to human space exploration, we can also expand a technology such as create a rocket and vehicle that can be launched to space, create new industry, and help to foster a peaceful connection with other nations. And last question is C. How can you as a student contribute to space exploration? As a student, to contribute to space exploration is inspiration yourself. Conducting education activities is not the reason space station was built, but the presence of astronauts aboard the ISS served. After that, we can also having the opportunity to connect with crew members real time either through live downlink or simply speaking via a ham radio. Ignite the imagination about space exploration and its application to the field of science, technology, and engineering.
Was it easy or difficult to dock? It was pretty difficult to dock. Why is easy or difficult? It's a bit difficult to dock because the movement in space is out of control. Therefore, I need to make sure that the rotations and speed are at the correct value so that it doesn't crash into the spaceship. How many attempts did you take until a successful docking? I took about 20 attempts until a successful docking. How long did you take for a successful docking? In 7 minutes. How does it feel becoming a Crew Dragon pilot? I felt it is so toughness and not easy to manage my passions. Sometimes I felt so frustrated and gave up. But later, when I think this is my responsibility, I try my hard to be a good pilot and I successfully achieve.
Was it easy or difficult to dock? It was so difficult to dock. Why it is easy or difficult? It was difficult because the rocket always crashed into the surface. How many attempts did you take until a successful landing? I take about 25 attempts until a successful landing. How do you feel becoming a rocket scientist? I feel impatient, frustrated, and give up for sometimes, but due to task given, I have to manage my mental toughness until it's successful.